All right, big breaking story that is coming in amidst the battle against COVID-19. A massive blame game at the global level has erupted after US President Donald Trump blamed the World Health Organization. India today spoke exclusively to UNSC President Vaisinga, who said that it is not right to blame the World Health Organization solely, and the entire world was not prepared and no country imagined this outbreak. The UNSC President also said that India is a key player in the present global order. UNSC head's response is coming in after China tried to stall proceedings at a meeting to discuss COVID-19. Earlier, US President Donald Trump had blamed the World Health Organization for a cover-up and for containing information since the virus first emerged in China. Donald Trump even suspended funding to the World Health Organization. That's the big story that is coming in. Massive blame game going on at the global level. Donald Trump blaming the World Health Organization. India today has spoken exclusively to the UNSC President, who said it is not right to blame the World Health Organization solely, and the entire world was not prepared and no country really imagined this particular outbreak. Geeta Mohan now joins us. Geeta, if you could just walk our viewers through how this blame game has started, with US President Donald Trump first going ahead and blaming the WHO and now the UNSC giving this particular response, and what are the repercussions that this could possibly have?
Well, the first fallout has been the United States of America withdrawing its funding to the WHO, which has not gone down well, not just with the United Nations as an organization, but also with many other countries. Having said that, the United Nations Security Council President now has come out and fully backed the WHO, saying that the pandemic was unprecedented, and so the response only being the way and the manner in which WHO conducted itself cannot really be questioned. Here, the UN body and the United Nations Security Council completely backing the WHO, as opposed to what the United States of America has been doing. And US, mind you, is a part of the United Nations Security Council, is one of the P5 members, and therefore the statement by Jose Singer, the Special Envoy of Dominican Republic to the United Nations Security Council, becomes of great significance over here.
All right, Geeta Mohan bringing us those details right there. Big breaking story first on India Today by our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan. We'll continue getting more responses as we go along the way as well. But the UNSC President going on to say that you cannot be blaming the World Health Organization, as nobody imagined that this was coming.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.